Trying to pack when a toddler is around is not easy. It's more of a mess.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so volley Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so volley Paris, yeah. Speedboats, baby, in Nikki Beach. Waves in my head, smoking weed. Dripping through the sand in the deep. All because of what I did on beach, baby. Life sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the process. Andre had to bounce, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. I just got finished going to get a COVID test done. I was in and out, thank God, but I'm supposed to be going on vacation in about a week or so, so I wanted to have a test done, even though they don't require you to have a test done where I'm going. I just wanted to get one done just to be on the safe side, so I got that out the way. And Bruce and I are taking Tripp to a birthday party, so we're about to do that. And after that, I just need to wash my hair because it's so dirty. I was going to have my cousin do my hair because she's the one that usually, you know, do my hair and get me together, get me right. But she had to work, so I need to wash my hair and I can't wait. So I'm going to just do it myself. I really need to wash Tripp hair as well and have that braided up because when I'm on vacation, he's going to stay with my mom. So yeah, I'll definitely want his hair to be braided while he's over there so she don't have to, you know, deal with it or worry about it. So not much is really going on today. That's pretty much all I have planned. I do want to go and get my nails and feet done. Hopefully I have time to do that sometime tomorrow or, you know, a few days before I leave to go on vacation. So yeah, I just wanted to, you know, come on here, hop on here and say what's up, you know, introduce the vlog properly. It is brick in Philly. Like, it's so cold here on the East Coast. That's why, you know, I got this big ass coat on. I just wanted to hop on here, like I said, and introduce the vlog. And I'll see y'all later.
So he's big enough to wear this.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
You are like hey y'all, I haven't picked up the camera in a few days. I washed my hair last night and I just washed the conditioner out this morning. I'm gonna blow dry it and maybe put it in a cute like ponytail. I wanted to really braid my hair for this vacation, but I waited too long to get hair and now it's snowing outside. I can't even do that. So I'm just gonna wing it, do something cute. It's still gonna come out cute, something different, and that's all we can do, right? But I just wanted to get on here because I did not pick up the camera in a few days. I think the last time I picked up the camera, me, Bruce, and Tripp went to a birthday party, and I work Monday through Thursday, so there wasn't nothing really to record, so that's why I didn't pick up the camera. It's Friday now, and as I mentioned in the beginning of this vlog, I am going on vacation. We leave on Sunday, so I'm really excited for that. My test results came back negative, which I already knew, but you know, I just like to see it on paper, so I'm happy about that. I just want to show y'all a few things that I picked up for the trip. So I didn't necessarily pick this up for the trip, but this is the Go Sleek Edge Control. I needed that to do my ponytail. And some Lysol, definitely needed some Lysol. I got this little 3 dental travel pack for like my teeth, toothbrush, toothpaste, and some mouthwash. I got some Lysol wipes, and these came as 4. Is it 4? No, it's actually 5. It was 5, I believe, for $4.99, so that was a good deal. We're definitely going to need these. I got some toner. This is the toner that I use. This and the Kills, but this is more so my go-to. So I got that. I also got this essence. I'm not sure if you guys have ever heard of this one. This is the Makeup Raw Sauce Essence. Love this essence. It works so well. It's so cute, the miniature size. So pick that up. I also got some Aveeno lotion. This is what I use on my face. And I also use like a serum and an oil. And this is what I use for my body, the almond oil. It keeps me very moisturized. And then I also picked up some makeup remover wipes. I don't usually use makeup remover wipes, but typically when I'm on vacation, I'm lazy and I don't want to, you know, take off my makeup the proper way. So I picked up some makeup wipes for that. Just so I can remove my makeup and then wash like my face. So I picked up these also. I've been wanting to try these out. These are the clean towels that By Me Chanel on Instagram recommended. I'm not sure if y'all are familiar with her. She's a glow and skin expert, and she always talk about these clean towels. She definitely said that these are better to use than using actual towels because towels hold bacteria, which I believe. So yeah, I picked those up and I hope that I like them. And then I just picked up these little bags that I got from Amazon so I can put my stuff in, you know, just to put all of my stuff in. So yeah, but that is pretty much it as far as, you know, toiletries or whatnot. So I'm going to probably start packing within the next hour or so. And I also have to pack up Tripp stuff because he's going to my mom's house. She did come over here during the week. I needed her to watch him, and she braided his hair for me. She washed his hair and braided his hair. Thank God for support systems because my mom does it all. I'm so grateful for her. Like, seriously, I did not feel like doing his hair and my hair, but things, you know, gotta get done. And I'm so happy that she came and did that for me. Like, you don't even know how happy I am about that. But yeah, that's pretty much what the day consists of. And I'll just get back on here, I guess, when I'm packing and show y'all what I'm taking. I'm still trying to figure out a few looks. So yeah, I'll just hop back on here when I'm doing that and talk to y'all later.
Kiss them in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so you, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit.
I forgot to say that I picked up these shower shoes as well from Amazon. I don't like to put my feet on people's showers that aren't my own most of the time. If I'm at a relative house or a friend house, that's something different. That's depending on the hotel. But what I'll do is if I don't have shower shoes, I'll just put down a towel. I've been looking for another pair of shower shoes like these. I gave my mom my last pair that I had. I really like these a lot because of the little sponge part. Like that's the detail I like the most. Like that's very comfortable. And they're only for the shower, so they don't look like much, but I definitely recommend these if you're going away, going out the country, whatever. Pick up some shower shoes. I definitely like to have these. So yeah, they weren't that much either. I think like 20 something dollars. They come in a bunch of different colors. I'll try to link them if anybody is interested. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? You're not gonna say hi? You're not gonna say hi? You got a car? Can I see? Can I see your car? That's so cool. But y'all, okay, so I'm attempting to pack right now. All right, let's take that back in the other room. Come on. Trying to pack when a toddler is around is not easy. It's more of a mess, but so I have this one. Let me turn y'all around again. I have this printed one, which is so pretty. These are all from J. Crew. They was having a sale. They were already marked down, and then they had a 60% off percentage on top of that, on top of the already marked down price. And then I found a 15% off code on top of that, so couldn't beat these deals. And then I have just this one. They look so much better on. You can't really see the vision right now, but once I put them on, you'll be able to see how everything look, girl. And I wanted to take these. This is what Tripp is playing with, my Prada sandals. I wanted to take these because I only wore these one time, but I don't really know what outfit I can wear with those. I look crazy. Sorry y'all, it's just a mess, but whatever. So let me just figure that out. I'm gonna figure out what else to take, and then I'll get back on here. I still have to pack Tripp stuff as well, so I'll just get back on here. I need to press my hair out also, and clip my ends because they need to be clipped. Okay y'all, so this is a few of the things that I'm taking. I wanted to take this beautiful Marni blouse that I got a while ago. I just be buying stuff and don't even go anywhere, but I guess that's a good thing when you're going away or going somewhere, you have clothes. But this shirt is so beautiful. Like, look at the details. So I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna pair it with these Uniqlo denim shorts. You know, something white and crisp, I think will look really good with that shirt. And then I'm gonna pair this fit with my Gucci shoes. I'll grab them in a second so you guys can see them. I'm gonna take this basic little set that I got from H&M, but it's so comfortable. This can be just something to throw on like after the beach or after the pool, girl. Or like for brunch early in the morning when you don't feel like getting too dressed up, you know. You could just throw this on with some sandals. And then I have this set from Zara that I had for a while also, which is really good. And these are like some crochet little shorts with the matching top, and I can easily just put a tank under this so I don't be hot, which I don't think I will be anyway, because it does have like holes in it because it's, you know, knitted. And one thing about Zara is that they do have a lot of sets, but I just find that their quality is just getting like not the best as it was, so it's getting worse to me a little bit. So you definitely have to find stuff that's worth purchasing, in my opinion. So I thought that was cute and very inexpensive, and the quality is good. Picked up a few bathing suits from J. Crew. They were having a good sale. All of these pieces were already marked down, and then they had a 60% off percentage on top of that. And then I found 15% off on top of my whole purchase. So things are really inexpensive. So I just got this golden one piece with this cute little cutout. So that's cute. And then I got this one piece. It's floral, a little printed floral moment. I love that. And then I got just this brown one, and it's like rouged on the sides. That's all I'm taking so far. Oh, let me show you the Gucci shoes. It's a mess in here. I'm in Tripp's room, as you can see. There's so much stuff everywhere, but I'm gonna clean that up after I'm done packing. You know, when you're going away, you got things just all over the place, girl. Let me just show y'all those. And I had these forever. So let me just show y'all how that's gonna look. It's gonna look really pretty. So see, that goes so well with that. So yeah, girl, I'm getting it together.
Black leather glove, no see-through. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in it. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Hey, killing this one slide. Hey. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you the pain. Sure, it's a thriller in a trap. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. If you killing this one slide. 2,000 shorties wanna tie the knot.